Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita and today is day number 28 of our 30 days of yoga challenge. And today we will be working on balance. So we've already had a balance practice earlier in this challenge, but today we're going to explore a few other balance poses. So what you'll need today is your yoga mat and 2 yoga blocks. And if you don't have yoga blocks, I always suggest using a disinfectant wipe container. So go ahead and grab those things and we will get started. So we're going to start in table pose. Go ahead and come onto your mat. Being mindful of having your shoulders over your wrists and hips over your knees. We're going to start here with 3 rounds of cat and cow. So let's inhale as we lower the belly towards the mat, arching the back, keeping the chest lifted and open, and gazes forward. And then exhale as you curl the back towards the ceiling, bring the chin to the chest, press the floor away to your cat pose. Again, inhale. Lower the belly, gazes forward, and exhale, curl the back. One more time, inhale, lower the belly, gazes forward, and exhale, curl the back, chin to chest. And then coming back to our table. Let's get into a balance here. So start with the right foot extended behind you with the ball of the foot still on the mat. You can go ahead and press into that ball of the foot just to activate the calf. And then go ahead and lift that leg up in line with your hip. So we're not going all the way up, just in line with the hip. Toes are facing down. And then reaching your left arm forward once you find your balance. Breathe here. And then release and bring the left hand down. Come back to the ball of that right foot. And then take your left foot, turn it over or reach it over to the left behind you. Plant your back foot down and then reach your right arm up. So coming into another version of a side plank here with our knee down. Breathe here. And then release, coming back to our table. From here, we're going to tuck the toes under and we're coming to downward facing dog. So lifting the knees and then lifting the hips up and back. Take a breath here. And then go ahead and lift that left leg up behind you. And then we're going to step it forward, either to the outside of the left hand or towards the left wrist. And you can have a bend in this left knee. You can walk it forward if you like. And we're going to plant that back foot down just for now. And come up to a high lunge. Reach those arms up, or a warrior one. This is actually a warrior one. Then from here, I want you to grab one of your blocks, or grab both of your blocks and place them in front of you. So maybe about a foot in front of your front foot. And then come back to your warrior one. then from here, you're going to step the right foot forward just a little bit. Bring your hands down to your blocks and kind of get them about shoulder width apart. Keep the left foot rooted down and straight, and then lift the right leg up. Toes are facing down, coming into a warrior three here. Breathe. So our upper body is parallel to the floor. Left leg is straight, right leg is straight, out behind us. And then we're going to transition into a half moon here. So try to find your balance. Keep your hand on your left block. And then reach the right arm up as you open the right hip. It's going to take a little bit of balance here. And it's okay if you wobble or you're shaking or if you fall out of it. Just embrace what your body does in this moment. And then bring that right hand down. Lower the right hip. And then go ahead and plant the back foot down. Bring your hands to the inside of the left foot. And we're going to step back to downward facing dog. Take a breath here. And then go ahead and lower back down to your table pose. You can put your blocks off to the side for now. And we're going to move back into another balance. So this time, extending our left foot out with the ball of the foot still on the mat. Press into it to activate the calf back behind you. And then lift that leg up in line with the hip. Once you find your balance here, you can reach that right arm in front of you. Breathe here. And then release the right hand down and the left foot down. We're going to take our right leg, turn it out to the right behind you. Plant the back foot down. Keep the right hand down and reach the left arm up. Coming into another version of our side plank here with our knee down. Take a breath. And then coming back down to our table pose. From here, we're going to tuck our toes under, lift the knees and the hips up and back to downward facing dog. Take a breath here. And then lifting the right leg behind you, we're going to step it forward. As you step the right foot forward, plant the back foot down, and go ahead and set up your blocks here in front of you. Once you do that, you can reach the arms up, coming back to our warrior one. Relax the shoulders and breathe here. And then from here, step that left foot in just a little bit. You're going to grab for your blocks in front of you. And then lean forward and lift the left leg. Coming to our supported warrior three. You can also try it with your hands at your heart if you feel comfortable here. And then we're going to start to keep the weight in the right block. Open the left hip. And then reach the left arm up. Coming to our half moon here. And if you feel comfortable using or keeping your right hand on the mat, you can do that as well. I have shorter arms, so my block helps me a lot. And then release, bringing that left hand back down, lowering the left hip, coming back to our warrior three. And go ahead and step the left foot back, plant it down, reach the arms up, the right knee bent, coming back to our warrior one. We're going to bring our hands down, step our right foot back. Coming back to downward facing dog. Take a breath here. And then lower down to your knees to our table. And we'll end here with our cat and cow. Just being mindful of having the shoulders over the wrists and the hips over the knees. Let's inhale as we lower the belly, arch the back, gazes forward. Exhale, curl the back, chin to chest, pressing the floor away into our cat pose. Inhale, lower the belly. And exhale, curl the back. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Coming back to center. Thanks for joining me today for our final balance practice of this challenge. And I'll see you all tomorrow for day number 30 of our 30-day yoga challenge.